What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on natural gas prices.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why this asset is in consistent downtrend for quite a long period of time. Basically, from the beginning of February, it lost about 30% of its value. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I told you that we have to complete the fifth wave, and we already defined that fifth wave inside this structure from this very top at $3.5456. We have an extension in the fifth wave, and this extension basically might last for quite a long period of time. And at this point, I told you that you shouldn't enter your long position without the confirmation of uptrend. And the confirmation should be higher highs and higher lows on a smaller scale. You have to see this type of structure that will break previous swing highs, and the more swing highs it breaks, the more confirmation we have and the less upside potential it will remain. So it is quite obvious that this movement to the downside is nothing else but a process of catching a falling knife. That is why I highly encourage you not to enter any long position with these assets. And by the way, I cover three ticker symbols. It is natural gas futures, natural gas spot prices, and leveraged ETF BOIL. And all of these are pretty much the same, and leveraged ETF has the higher exposure, has the higher volatility, but its nature is quite opposite than the natural gas futures and natural gas spot prices. Because of its origination, it has to go lower and lower over time. That is why it is in consistent downtrend for very long period. So, and guys, if you want to enhance your trading skills, if you want to know more about technical analysis, subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. And for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you know that my win rate on certain assets in technical analysis is more than 75%. And if you want to enhance your trading skills, definitely you should enter my Patreon account. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. So I think it is quite fair deal. And let's continue with the fundamental news. What do we have from the fundamental standpoint? Why this asset, why natural gas prices are in consistent downtrend? And here's why. We are on tradingeconomics.com, and let me quote you this. US natural gas futures fell to $1.55 per MMBTU, the lowest since the June 2020, driven by near record production, abundant fuel storage, and above average temperatures. Additionally, technical issues at Freeport LNG's export facility have limited gas flow to LNG export terminals, and record levels are not expected until the plant returns to full power. This winter's mild temperatures have enabled utilities to increase gas storage, with inventories currently 15.9% above normal levels. Gas output in February increased to an average of 105.8 billion cubic feet per day (BCFD) compared to 102.1 BCFD in January. Moreover, meteorologists predict that the weather will continue to be milder than normal until March the 1st. Looking ahead, analysts expect producers to reduce output in 2024 following the sharp decline in prices. So, as you can see, we have basically three major reasons why natural gas prices is in consistent downtrend. It is a record high production, abundant fuel storage, and above average temperatures. And we don't have any positive forecast till March the 1st, and that is why we still have basically almost a week of potential downtrend. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's switch to natural gas spot prices and let me show you its recent movement. As you can see right here, we have this quite interesting structure because it is very difficult to make a breakdown. And guys, believe me, if you show this price action for, it doesn't matter how many people you will show it, but if these people are electricians, definitely they will give you several, at least 3 or 5 potential breakdowns of this structure. This means, in my opinion, it is pretty much useless to make any assumptions based on Elliott wave theory. We have to see a major pivot point, and then we will be able to make a breakdown of the previous price action, and we can assume only in this point. We will assume where we are now and what potential next structure and what potential trend will be in upcoming days and weeks. And so far, we don't have any confirmation of this trend. As I already mentioned, we have to see higher highs and higher lows that should break at least several previous spikes of the price. But at the same time, if we take a look on our side, on hourly RSI, we have again not the best structure. We have some kind of bearish flag, but on the higher time frames, on a 3 hours time frame, well, we are again not so bullish, but on the 4 hours time frame we are forming a set of bullish divergences. And bullish divergence is the sign when you can see higher lows on our side with lower lows on the price action. And this shows the weakness of bears, and this shows that the momentum might switch in upcoming days. And that is why, guys, we have to be cautious, but I'm pretty sure that we will have a trend reversal before March the 1st. This forecast is quite bearish, but for me it is very difficult to assume that we might form lower lows and lower highs for almost 10 days in a row on top of previous price action. That is why I still stand on my position that we might have another couple of legs to the downside, but these legs will not be so massive, and we might have this trend reversal in a quite short period of time. Let me show you right here that from the video, from my previous video, when I made it basically about 5 days ago on February 14th, we lost about 9% of the value on natural gas spot prices. And this means I don't think that we might have more than 10% of potential movement to the downside. And that is why, guys, if you're risky enough, you can start to cautiously accumulate your long position, because somewhere lower we will have this price action, and this will be a very good sign. And if you ladder your buys down incrementally, in this case, your average price will be even more lucrative. And guys, it is not a financial advice. And as for me, I will not enter this position yet until I see this type of price action. But I know that some of you like to do this type of trades and like to catch the real bottom of this of certain asset. And I have to admit that in the grand scheme of things, we might see a very significant movement to the upside right after this asset forms its lowest point. And it might be very lucrative trade, and especially if you catch the entire bottom. That is why I think we have to see this type of price action first of all, and then on the retracement we will be able to enter long position with the more certainty and with more confirmation that we might hit higher targets. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.